Do you know the best medicine in the world? Best makeup. What is the best makeup? And the best jewelry. The best jewelry. Good afternoon, everybody. The participants of today's study tour arranged by Smart English Language Club, Ramdev BL High School and College, Shodor Dinaspur. I think all the participants are very happy today, though the weather is somewhat rough, but now the weather is in favor of us. It's a blessing for us, and I think we will complete our study tour successfully. But today we will review our last study tour first, okay? Then we will discuss about today's study tour. In our last study tour, it was on 3rd April, and our venue was Koroibil, Kaliagon's forest, and Gauripur sluice gate. It was an amazing tour for us, and everybody enjoyed this tour because in that tour we had our guests, Professor Isaac Ali, our principal, Sir Farman Ali sir. They were the main attraction of our tour. Today we are missing them. In our last study tour, we learned about various types of natural, I think, about forest, different kinds of trees, and we went to border area. We arranged a short program there, and we still remember the natural swing. Everybody swing on that tree, natural. Okay, and it was an extraordinary settings and special. Everybody, especially our chief guests, praised much about our lunch. Okay, it was very delicious, and our chief guest there entertained us with chotpoti, and our principals are with tea. Okay. However, I cannot forget that tour, and as a monthly study tour, it is our first monthly study tour. and we like to thanks Almighty Allah that He has just helped us to come here and continue the program. Before starting, I would like to say about small habits that can change our life, Okay, the small habits such as our main target is to speak English fluently. The small habits are, we have to learn minimum one word every day. And we have to use the word in a sentence, different sentences. Such as today we learned the word sluice. Okay, how can I remember this word? Oh, this is a sluice gate. This sluice gate is very strong, very strong. Okay. Different kinds of people come here to look at this sluice gate. Okay. This sluice gate protects the nearby areas. Especially it is useful in rainy season. In this way, we have to use the word in a sentence, very simple sentence, not difficult sentence. Okay. We can say in this way that now I think our Almighty Allah has given us the light. Okay. We did not expect this light in this weather, but suddenly when our stage is ready, light automatically focused us. This sluice gate is made of iron and concrete. And this sluice gate protects us to be flooded. And when water level is high, then this sluice gate will work properly. Now it is this sluice gate is closed, but at that time sluice gate will be open. And the surrounding area of this sluice gate is very nice, and this is plain land, and it is we have used this land as a stage. At the same time, we are enjoying the rain and the sun. Okay. It is rare. I am enjoying the tall trees on the bank of the river, and in my left side the sandy area. That means now water level has gone below. That's why we can see the just like island. This monthly study tour will enrich us, will this experience will make us matured, and we will learn from some mistakes, and day by day we will be fluent and we will be confident. When our confidence level will be high, then we will be able to speak English anywhere, any place, in home and abroad. And really, if we together, if we are united, then it will be easier for us. One thing, just Mr. Chirendranath Roy mentioned that positive mind. Positive mind. Do you know the best medicine in the world? The best medicine in the world is, what is this? Do you know?
Medicine what? Positive mind.
The best medicine is positive mind. Okay. Because a positive mind always finds opportunities in everything. And a negative mind always finds faults in everything.
Yes.
So we should have positive mind. We should have positive mind. And do you know the best makeup? What is the best makeup? Best makeup is our Sultan Ali Shah just mentioned. The best makeup is smile. The best makeup is smile because a smiling face never looks bad. So keep smiling all the time. And another thing, the best clothing, the best clothing, the best clothing is confidence. Confidence. If we are confident, then everywhere we can take our place, take our position without hesitation, without hesitation. So, how can we be confident? By practicing more and more. Confidence doesn't come automatically. Confidence comes by practicing, by practicing. Just Chirendranath Roy mentioned, we have to practice more and more. And the best jewelry, the best jewelry, the best jewelry or ornament is our modesty, our modesty. We have to be modest in our behavior, in our activities. If we are modest, then it will be our best jewelry. Not, I think, costly, luxurious dresses. Okay. Luxurious dresses, costly dresses will not be our jewelry. our jewelry is our modesty. So, in our all activities, we have to be modest, and inshallah, we will be able to achieve these qualities. Achieve these qualities. The qualities are smiling face, modesty, confidence, and positive mind.